Your landlord would probably have a massive heart attack if they saw you taking a power drill to the front door of your apartment. That fear of losing your security deposit is exactly what makes the newest Xiaomi Smart Lock such a fascinating piece of hardware for 2026. This thing is not about professional installers or complex wiring. It is built for the person who wants to upgrade their life in 10 minutes without picking up a heavy tool. You basically just slap it over your existing deadbolt and suddenly your phone is the master key. It is the ultimate solution for anyone living that renter life where you want the tech but cannot make permanent changes to the building. You get to keep your physical keys as a backup since the original lock stays right where it is. That peace of mind is huge. Once you have it synced up with your phone, the convenience starts to feel like a massive win. You are walking up to the door with your hands full of groceries, and you just tap a button on your screen. Or maybe you have a friend coming over to water the plants while you are away. You can just shoot them a temporary access code, and they are in. No more hiding keys under a sketchy plastic rock or meeting up at a coffee shop to hand over a physical spare. The integration with the wider smart home ecosystem is where things get really interesting. You can set it up so your lights turn on the second the door unlocks. It makes your home feel like it is actually waking up for you. But we have to talk about the trade-offs, because this is not a perfect device. The big sticking point for most people is going to be the lack of biometrics. We have all gotten used to unlocking our phones with a thumbprint or a quick glance at a camera. You will not find that here. You're relying on your phone or those digital codes. If you are hoping to walk up and have the door recognize your face, you are going to be disappointed. It is a budget-friendly compromise that keeps the price low and the installation simple. Reliability has also been a bit of a roller coaster with these early versions. Some users report a bit of lag when trying to connect remotely. The build quality feels a bit more like plastic than premium metal. If you are someone who prioritizes heavy-duty security above all else, you might want to look at the high-end options from brands like Yale or August. Those are the tanks of the smart lock world, but those also require a much bigger investment and usually a permanent installation. This Xiaomi unit is more of a gateway drug into the world of smart homes. It is affordable. It solves the immediate problem of key management without a headache. The battery life is surprisingly resilient too. You are not going to be swapping out batteries every 2 weeks. It holds its own for months, which is one less thing to worry about in our already cluttered digital lives. The connection is fully encrypted, so you do not have to stay up at night worrying about someone hacking their way into your living room from the sidewalk. It is a practical middle ground for the budget-conscious tech enthusiast. It is not going to replace a high-security deadbolt in a luxury mansion. But for a standard apartment or a small home, it changes the daily routine in a big way. You just have to decide if you can live without that fingerprint scanner in exchange for a setup process that is as easy as peeling a sticker. It is about choosing the right tool for your specific living situation. Not everyone needs a bank vault for an entrance. Sometimes you just need to know the door is locked from your bed. That is where this thing shines. It is simple, it is fast, and it keeps your security deposit safe. If you want to support these honest guides, hitting that shopping link in the description really helps keep things going. Every click makes a difference for the channel. See you in the next one.